Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This vehicle comes in black metallic paint with rear privacy tint and alloy rims. We also have the chrome accents in our front grille, black leather interior, heated seats, as well as a heated steering wheel, navigation, our V6 engine, and all-wheel drive. Now onto the interior of the Jeep Cherokee. We'll take a look at the door panel, which features our soft touch foam up top. We have our wooden-esque trim underneath that, chrome door handle, close handle, window controls and mirror controls, our power seat adjustment, memory seat adjustment, our speaker and storage. Inside of the seat we have our power seat adjustment and lumbar support. And then off to the left of the steering wheel we have our lighting settings and gas filler cap release, our gauge cluster, cruise control off to the right, Jeep badge in the middle, and phone controls off to the left. Steering wheel is wrapped in black leather. Then we have our push start button, infotainment screen which displays just a general overview of the station running, our navigation, and then below we have the controls for our radio, media, climate, applications, climate controls which include a heated steering wheel and heated seats, and our navigation and phone settings. Under that we have our radio and dual zone climate controls. Also see we have our storage compartment with our 2 USB ports, auxiliary input, and 12-volt charging port. Beneath that we have 2 cup holders, gear selection stalk, and our 4-wheel drive controls, as well as drive mode. Padded leather center console lid. Inside of that we have our felt phone holder or wallet holder. In our second portion we have plenty more storage with a 12-volt charging port just underneath. The front seats are featured in black patent leather. Again, these are heated front seats. On the rearview mirror we have our SOS as well as assist. Above that we have our sunglass holder, controls for our 3 garage door openers, sunroof and moonroof, and power liftgate. Full black headliner and sunroof and moonroof overhead. Now back onto the exterior of the Jeep. We can take a closer look at our alloy rims with the Jeep badge center caps. We also have our Grand Cherokee badging featured off to either side. Chrome mirror caps and door handles with our lock and unlock button. Rear privacy tint. Fin antenna up top, and around to the back we have our Jeep featured in chrome, as well as limited and 4x4 badging. We do also have a power activated liftgate. And once this is open we can see plenty of storage room on the inside. We have our 12-volt charging port off to the right. And off to the left we have the button to close back up our liftgate. Now moving on to the rear interior of the Jeep Grand Cherokee, we'll take a look at the door panel, which features our chrome door handle, window switch, close handle, speaker, and storage. Back of the front seats we have our mesh magazine holder, and back of the center console area we have our 2 USB ports, rear heated seats, and power outlet. The rear seats are a 60-40 split bench, featured in black patent leather, same as the front. And we have our fold-down center seat, which features 2 cup holders and a small armrest area. Thank you for joining me for this video walk-around of the 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.